BeautyFIX, a skincare-focused beauty subscription box, has released the full spoilers for the April 2025 box. If I do happen to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. The box is $24.95 per month. Join the club to sample the latest and greatest products in skincare, hair care, and makeup, handpicked by a team of beauty pros. Each month, they'll be offering a different BeautyFIX box, including full and travel size products worth at least $100. So what you're going to get in this month's box is a Jane Iredale Glow Time Blush Stick in Glorious. It is full size. It retails for $40. Get a golden lit from within glow with Jane Iredale's Glow Time Blush Stick. Buildable and blendable. The creamy formula delivers a natural streak-free application for a beautiful color payoff and a radiant golden finish. Ideal for on-the-go touch-ups and may be used on the cheeks, lips, and body. Holly Frog Temu Water Lily Nourishing Milky Wash Full Size retails for $35. When your skin tends towards dry and or inflamed, but you love the clean, rinsing feeling of a cream cleanser, try Temu Water Lily Nourishing Milky Wash from Holly Frog. With a pH of 5 and blendable with soothing, non-fragrant botanical extracts, it gently removes makeup and debris while retaining your natural hydration. The cleanser also works well for any skin type that needs a little extra love. Whether from over-exfoliating aggressive treatments or seasonal allergies, made only with skin-loving ingredients, nothing is included that may potentially send your skin on an irrational spiral, including essential oils and sulfates. You'll get a One Love Organics Love and Eye Bright Eye Serum, full size, 8 millimeters, retails for $39. One Love Organics Love Eye Bright Eye Serum is a cooling antioxidant-rich rollerball serum that reduces puffiness and perks up tired under eyes. It's the wake-up call tired eyes have been craving. Love and Eye Bright Eye Serum is crafted from a potent combination of plant-based actives, specifically botanical eye bright, antioxidant, green tea oil, and sea kale, making it a results-oriented formula loaded with antioxidant nutrients and ultra-nourishing moisture, but light enough to be ideal for daytime use. Love Plus Eye Bright also pairs perfectly with makeup. You'll also get a BeautyFIX EGF Serum Deluxe 5 millimeters, retails for $65. The award-winning bestseller BeautyFIX EGF Serum is a revolutionary eye-defying serum that significantly minimizes signs of aging and restores skin's youthful radiance. You'll also get an R Plus Co Retroactive Dry Shampoo. It's a deluxe size 1.2 ounces, retails for $11. R Plus Co Blues Retroactive Dry Shampoo is formulated to instantly reboot style, breath new life into blowouts, and boost volume while weightlessly absorbing oil, impurities from hair and scalp. A blend of translucent, finely milled powders leaves hair bouncy, shiny, and brushable. Let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up. Hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.